Hello all, today in this video I am going to provide details regarding a journal which is indexed in Scopus and also in Web of Science. It's a paid journal. I'm just moving this journal review from the Scopus preview page and the Web of Science home page to just let you know that this journal is in Scopus and also in Web of Science while I'm taking this video. So if you are taking this journal at some other timings, please check whether this journal is indexed in that every indexing. Since you may know that in every indexing the journal will get discontinued from time to time. The journal which we are going to have a look today is Journal of Communication Software and Systems, which is an open access journal, and its score is 2.0 and its percentile is 37%, and it is going to cover subjects related to electrical and electronic engineering, and it has published nearly 135 documents within the year 2020 to 23. In order to confirm that, you can just click the Scopus content coverage. Before that, we can just check this coverage. For Scopus, it is till 2025. Publisher is University of Split, and subject area it is going to cover electrical and electronic engineering and also software, that is in computer science. Then we saw nearly 135 documents has been published within the year 2020 to 23. In order to confirm that, you can just click the Scopus content coverage. This will show that how many documents has been published by this journal per year. Then I said that this journal is also indexed in Web of Science. So we are checking from the Web of Science homepage. Here if you see means it is indexed in emerging sources citation index. And here if you notice means the publisher is someone which is different from Scopus, but both are same only. I'll show you the details one way are moving to the profile page. So this is the profile page of this journal. Here we you that is issues per year is 4, and the average number of weeks from submission to publication is 8. Other details like JCR report for this journal is given, and open access details, what are the subjects this journal is going to cover, peer review and other details is given over here. Then we can move to the journal website. This will automatically lead you to the journal website and will avoid you from moving to any fake websites or clone websites. So this is the home page of the journal. So I first said that the publisher details I will clarify you. So you can just see the University of Split, which is mentioned in Scopus web page, and this Crotanian. I am not sure whether I'm spelling it correct. So here it is mentioned. So this is the original journal mentioned in both Scopus and also in Web of Science. So next we can just move to the about section to just see that what are the details regarding this journal. So this journal is already visa, it is going to cover subjects related to electrical and electronics engineering and also computer science and software. Then the publication frequency in Web of Science homepage visa, it is 4, that is quarterly only, which is also mentioned over here. Then the other details like indexing is also mentioned. Regarding the Scopus and Web of Science in ESCI, we just confirmed it, but others you may notice that it is also indexed in PubLaunch and some other indexing too, and it is expected to be indexed, but till now it is not indexed. Then we can just move to the payment details that is given in the author guidelines. Here they have shared the publication fee. So publication fee is less only as of now. I think it is not as much high, but if you are having any funding, means if you are okay means you can move to this journal. The article processing charges 250 EUR per article, and they have given a page limit also, it is 12. So within this they have given these charges, but in some journals they would have mentioned that the pages exceed means for exceeding pages this is the payment. Since here they haven't mentioned it, I think the page limit maximum is 12 only. So this is the details regarding this journal. Now we can move to the archive session. In archive session, they in 2025 two issues has been published. So maximum we can view the PDF because since it is an open access journal, maximum in open access journal we can view the PDF. But I'm not sure whether they are sharing the dates like when it is received and all. So they have shared it is received in December 19, 2024. Revised if you see means it is taking only 15 to 20 days, and once it is revised the next month it is published, not accepted, it is published. In that case it is taking only less time, but still we can also check with some other article because these dates may vary based on the availability of the reviewers and submission of revised manuscript and some other criterias too. So we can just check with another article whether this dates is same or it is varying. So I'm just viewing another article here. If you see means here the article received in November 29, and it is revised in December 19, and published within February 17. More or less the date is less only. In this case the acceptance is taking only 1 or 1.5 months. So this is the details regarding this journal. I am just sharing the overview of this journal. So if you are interested in this journal means please check the journal link which we have shared in the description box. Thank you.